Hi guys, this is Weltha. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I make my margarita drinks at home. Okay, and this is all the ingredients that you're going to need. Okay, so you're just going to need the ice, the margarita mix that's already mixed with the alcohol in it, you guys. Okay, and then you're going to need your limes and your pretty glass that you're going to drink it out of, and some salt. Okay. So I'm gonna wet the rim of my glass this way, you guys, so you can see. All right, so just need it to be wet while I get the margarita salt. Okay, so next we're gonna get the salt. Hold on, take this up, put it away. Now grab my salt, because I want to line the glass with it. Okay, and just do that. All right, as little or as much as you like. I don't like a whole lot. Okay, and that's it. Then, all right, so now we're gonna add some ice. All right, I'm gonna add my my lime. Make it look pretty. And I want one inside of it too. So I'll put one inside also. Okay, and then just gonna pour up the, sorry guys. Okay, so now just pour the drink. I'm gonna have a delicious margarita drink. Ooh, don't that look good? Okay, I want some more ice. A little more ice. Get nice and whole. All right, and then I made my little straw, you guys. Look. That's my little straw. Okay, and there you have it. You have a margarita drink. There you have it. A margarita. Easy breezy margarita. Margarita drink. Okay, hold on. And there you have it. You have a margarita drink. Okay? Doesn't that look delicious? And there you have it. You have a delicious margarita drink you can make at home. Okay, you guys, enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious margarita drink made at home. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.